In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your language on Monopoly Go. Open the Monopoly Go application on your device. Allow a moment for the game to fully load. Tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen to open the menu. From the menu, select the Settings option. This will bring up a window with various customization options for the app. Look for the language option, which you can find just below the notification setting. You'll see a list of available languages such as Spanish, Italian, French, among others. Tap on the language you wish to switch to. And after selecting your desired language, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about the change. Tap on Change button to proceed. The Monopoly Go app will automatically restart and reopen in the new language you've selected. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.